Je veux entrer, mais je ne sais ni où ni dans quoi. Vous venez me trouver. Ni où ni dans quoi. Ni où ni dans quoi. Wir können nicht auf. Ni où ni dans quoi. De moi. De nous. Vers le silence. Le monde, on va t'entendre. Ni où ni dans quoi.
What's up, everyone? Welcome to the stream, guys. How is everyone doing? Let me just check the audio. I think that audio is perfectly fine. So, okay, what's up, everyone? What's up, Gusel? What's up, everyone? Welcome, everyone, to the stream. Today, we are continuing on our short game for the Epic Megajam 2022. Very excited. I've made some progress today, and yesterday. Yeah. So there's things that will show you that are new. Now I didn't have so much time today, just a bit in the morning and now. So you know, I'm gonna show you the cool new stuff. There's not a lot, but we'll continue working on. I'll show you what we're gonna finish up today, because tomorrow we need to have finished the game. So it's gonna be interesting. ¿Qué tal, bro? Watan? So let me show you on here all the things that we need to do today. At least that I want to do today. There's some things that we can leave to tomorrow, yes, but let's see. What's up, Thomas? How's it going, man? So let's see. Alright, so right now, Real Engine, the editor is open. I had it opened. I just was working on the game right now, but it crashed. Let's hope that today doesn't crash a lot. But anyway, today we are continuing on the things that we're making. So basically what I've done is made a fish model for the citizens. You remember that the shark model was only for the player and also for the police. So I went ahead and created a model myself, a fish model from the shark model that I had before. All right, it's opening right now. You can already see the fish in here, but let me show it in the real scene because it looks much better. So yeah, and I basically integrated all together, so it is. So basically, it will look very, very cool. Also, I have created a like an input system for like buttons. So it says like when you are with the keyboard, it says with the right left mouse button you attack, and when you are with controller, it says X attack. It's very simple, but anyway. And now I've been started to make a new weapon, so I will show you in a second. I made a game, but I got too good feedback from friends and family, so I decided to exit the game jam and finish the game. Oh really, Thomas? So you were participating on the game jam, but because it was so great, you actually went ahead and, you know, pulled it off and started to make it for real. I'm very proud of you, man. Good luck in your pride. ¿Qué castillo nuevo construiste fuera de cámara? No hay castillo, pero hay armas nuevas y demás. Alright, so let me show you everything. So let me hit play. Let's see if it doesn't take too much. Alright, so first of all, we have the new fish models, which I think they look really, really cool, honestly. So when I go ahead and shoot, you can see that I've improved massively the shooting mechanics. Honestly, I'm gonna go ahead and make the volume just a bit higher for now, so you can hear a bit the bubbles and stuff. So I think that I have also made is that right now, if you're basically, okay, wait a second, let me restart. So right now, if you are with a gun and you're shooting and you turn the camera, the player will always be facing when we're shooting, but only when we're shooting. All right, so you know it's free, but when you're shooting and you turn on the camera, it's always facing, so it's better. So it's, yeah, thanks. All right, Thomas, good luck on your pride, mate. And let me know how it would go. Matt Black, wow, it looks really cool, right, Matt? Game looks amazing, bro. We've been having issues with our game today, but we ain't giving up. Oh, Civimus, so you are also participating in the game jam. That's great, man. Good luck on your pride too. So you have been having some issues. What kind of issues have? Also, yesterday I had so many issues with animations because you know that I'm using active ragdolls, like physical animations at the top, and there was one time that I spent 2 hours trying to fix something, but I got it working. So, what type of game are you making too? When is the game jam deadline? Well, Matt, let me show you. So tomorrow is the. Wait, can I put the HIO Epic Megajam page in here? Let's go into here. So we have 1 day and 11 hours. So basically, I think it's. So for my time, it's in Friday, like at 3 in the morning. I have to have the game put on in the page, but I will probably try to put it on tomorrow, 100%. But today we have to finish pretty much as, you know, as everything as possible because we need to have everything perfectly done. So yeah, exactly, perfect. Already said it. 2 September, 9:29 a.m. Depending on the country, right now in Spain it will be at Friday, so yeah, also 2 September, but like at 3 a.m. on the morning. So yeah, exactly. Thomas says jam ends in 1 day, 11 hours, 54 minutes. Exactly, so we need to get all finished, you know, because tomorrow has to be the day when we make the package, like the build, and like test everything, level a bit the guns, things like that, make the trailer, and that's it, because we have to finish everything today. But we are good, we're advancing stuff. ¿Han subido juegos ya? Sí, ya estoy viendo, Watan, han subido bastantes juegos desde ayer. So Sifumus, you're making a model that I worked about 4 hours on because I never made models. Ended up not importing very well, so we had to scrap it, and now we're having crashing and 3 issues. Lol. Oh crap. Yeah, also I had issues importing my model, so I modeled it too. I'm not a modeler, I'm very bad at it. So I did the shark and the fish in Blender, and when I did the shark, which I don't have anyone in the scene right now with the shark, but when I imported it into Unreal Engine, the materials and textures were all wrong. I don't know what is happening, but I took like another hour to fix it. The problem was the polygon scales in the UV maps inside Blender. Anyway, a lot of crappy stuff, and I thank God I could fix it pretty quick. And so yeah, always there's problems with modeling ourselves. But anyway, Iwatan, ¿crees que las 3000 personas que se inscribieron me manden algo? Bueno, el 70% sí, pero van a haber muchas que no van a mandar algo porque lo sé, Iwatan, lo sé. Hay muchas que al final no se inscribieron por inscribirse, pero la mayoría, el 70% sí. Alright, so let's start doing things. So basically, I have worked on a canyon gun. So let me show you. This is this one, which looks like a bubble. So right now, it's basically meant to use one click and it shoots a huge bubble you see, but it's really broken. So let me tune this in. The other gun, the bubble gun, works really well, but the canyon is right now a bit scuffy. But let's see what we can basically get to make. So yeah, I'm excited because today we have a lot of things to do. All right, let me delete this. So first of all, I'm gonna make that the wait, can I zoom in? No. All right, it's because I have some fog in the player, so that's why it's a bit far away, the player in the blueprint. But anyway, so let's create a point where it will create bubbles instead of being the gun, because this one, it isn't like a shooting holding, it's just like more of a shotgun. The animation doesn't have time to be in the point, so we will need to change the pivot of the spawning position into another one, because if not, it will not look good. Pretty much what happened with us. Well, we are making a Slender type game where you collect your soul fragments in the forest limbo as your character is dying. Oh, it's so cool. I love Slender, man. I really love him. Yeah, it's been time since I see a really cool Slenderman game, so hopefully your guys will be the one that is really cool and the new one, and I'll be probably playing it. So do you have a name yet? Because guys, we need to think of a name. We have some noted down, but we have to start thinking of a name, because you know, el botón de acabar atacar se ve medio raro. Sí, no sé por qué se está tirando. Después miraré. No sé qué pasa, la verdad. Alright, so let's create the new character point. Actually, I think I can use this attack point, which I will use. So instead of using the gun target for the spawning, I'm gonna use this one. So just with that, it should look much better. So let me just do this. Like this, right? So let me get this. Also made a sprint. So if I run, it's like he runs faster and then slower. Alright, so yeah, I don't know what is happening with the position. So okay, so first of all, the particles are too big. That's a problem, so let's fix that. Shark Theft Auto. That's a pretty cool name, Guseo. That's actually a pretty funny name. But I probably won't be using that. You know, it's similar. I don't really want to make like a meme game, so you know, but that's a really cool name, man. No monster walking around, but we focus on the pre-forest and sound design, because I'm very artistic with sound and textures. Our game is called The Long Sleep. Oh, cool name, man. I really like the name. Alright, so you don't have like an AI running around, so you have to basically so you have a very cool forest and walking around and good sound design. Great, man. Great, man. I love sound design and how everything looks. So, you know, all the artistic style of the game. I mean, what you think of my game? Like, how does it look? Does it look like a cool stylized game? Because that's kind of a bit of a issue Because I don't know if it looks 100% well. But, you know, it's how it is. What's up, Lush Labs? How's it going, man? Hey, Gorga, how's the jam going along? Well, I think it's coming down pretty cool. I'm liking how everything is, you know, looking right now. I want to have finished the main mechanics of the game. Right now, you can just go and start, you know, shooting civilians and kind of making chaos around. And you have like a wanted level. It's pretty cool. So right now, some police will start spawning, and they will come in surfboards and actually start attacking you and stuff. Well, you can see that they're coming here, and they hop off the surfing board and then start basically attacking you. And it's really cool. It's pretty fun. I'm gonna start making it so that you can also go ahead and start destroying the environment. So adding like different like just props around it, and it's like Gold Simulator. You just go in and start destroying everything. It's like a sandbox, but with like Gang Beast style of animations and stuff. So really cool. Good to see you, Lush Labs, in here. Good luck on your pride. I tuned in this morning, and it was looking really good. I like how the cave is looking. So yeah, good luck on you, bro. So this looks fantastic, man. I'm actually excited to play it. Thanks, Siphinus. I really appreciate it, because I put in so much effort in how everything looks. Because of course the player models are mine, and also the weapons and stuff. So pretty much everything is mine except the buildings and the foliage. But everything else I made it myself, because I want to make everything myself. So yeah. So you know, I'm excited to keep going on the game. Y ahí, ¿cómo andas, bro? Muy bien, Iguatán. ¿Tú qué tal? ¿Cómo andas, bro? What's up, Mr. Phenom? How's it going? Is it alright? Been following your channel for a bit, so I'm excited to see you in the jam. Oh, thank you, man. Really appreciate it. Yeah, I'm excited to be, you know, making more tutorials in the future, and well, just participate in the jam. Definitely, I'm excited to play also your game. I'm excited about that. ¿Vas a poner muros para que no salgan de la ciudad? No, en realidad es... Bueno, hostia. Y Watan, buena idea. Hay que poner algo, sí, hay que poner algo. So Watan just mentioned that we have to define the map limits, so you don't, you know, go. So that's the thing I'm gonna put around here. So yeah, we decided to do the hard thing and make all items ours solo. So I learned Blender in one day. Well, that's the way to go, and that's what game jams are. So yeah, man. I pretty much, that's pretty much my first model that I make in Blender, and I'm pretty happy. I mean, well, the first one was the shark. I'm pretty happy because it's like funny looking, you know, like plasticine, clay looking. I don't know how you can, you know, how I can describe it, but I like how it looks it. And well, I mean, and the buildings I couldn't make them myself. You know, I'm not so experienced in Blender, so I got some from Sketchfab. But yeah, that's pretty cool. So yeah, dude, the shark is so good. Thanks, man. I really appreciate it, because you know, it's pretty much my first model that I made in Blender. So you know, I'm glad that it looks kind of cool. And I love the reflection, because we use lumen. So I love how it looks. Like, it's just that you want to like grab it, you know. It's like so fluffy, and well, not fluffy, but you know, you know what I mean. Like, you just want to grab him. And also with the fish, that actually the fish, I need to apply some roughness. Let me just do this real quick, because you know, so cute. Do you like it, Federico? Thanks, man. Let me go into the material and open the character material for the shark, and I'm gonna copy the roughness, and I'm gonna go into the fish. I'm gonna apply it to the fish. I can close this now, and roughness, so it has some shine in it, you know what I mean. There's some reflections, I think, and the fish will look cool too. Hoy ando bien, después de estar planeando todo el día, logré hacer una animación yo que quería, aprendí cómo mover el cuerpo sin que se vea mal. Qué guay, Watan. Pero también está... Ah, no, tú estás haciendo un proyecto, ¿verdad? De terror, pero no para el Game Jam, ¿no? Solo para ti. I made a mushroom for the forest and my first model, and I was so proud of myself for a dumb little mushroom. Yeah, man, like that thing's the first model that you make, and when it looks good, you're very proud of yourself, and that's the important thing, you know? Is that like Unity shader graph? Yeah, pretty much, Federico. That's pretty much like the Unity shader graph, and you can do pretty much the same things. Yeah, you can add textures, nodes with materials. I mean, this is a very basic one. It only has one texture and one parameter, but you can customize it as you want. Yeah, guys, look, now it like glows. You know what I mean? Like, it's like it's like the shark. So yeah, I like it more like that. So that's cool. Sí. Ah, qué guay, Guatán. Qué guay, entonces para el Game Jam también, Qué guay. Vamos a competir, Guatán. Thank you, Federico, for, you know, being in the stream and enjoy my content, man. So yeah, really cool. All right, so let's continue. So we need to open the Niagara particles. Let's make this smaller. So right now it is around 2. Let's make it 0.7 and 1 because it's like a canyon. So I'm making like boom, a huge thing. So let's see how it looks. Let me just get this one. All right, I'm seeing it's spawning. Now it is going a lot up. So what I'm going to do, yeah, see gravity. I'm gonna put some, the forward. So the forward on here, on the arrow point is basically the X. So basically they should add some in the X. So it goes forward, you know what I mean, guys? Yes, there we go. But more, let's add like 1,000. Yeah, it's a bit better. Let's try it now. Ah, perdón, Iguatán, para ti, bien. Así es un proyecto guay y grande. I was also able to code a little physics mechanic for grabbing objects in the game, which I was super proud of too. Yeah, I always like when you make a kind of code, a blueprint that you have never done before, using physics and stuff, and it works, you're always really proud of yourself. So that's a great thing about being game dev, you know, making things and being proud of your stuff when it works. You know what I mean? Like the 90% of the time it doesn't work, but anyway, it's how it is, you know? It's how it is. No lo acabo en un día. Ya tengo el conocimiento igual para el siguiente año. Competimos, hacemos uno juntos, maybe. Buena idea, Guatán. Podemos hacer uno juntos, competir, Buena idea para el año que viene. Alright. So, alright, guys. So you can see. Okay, that's a bit scuffed. So I don't know what is happening. Wait. Okay. First of all, lifetime. So lifetime. Let's make it so it's like I don't know. It just like, why it takes like half an hour to spawn? I don't know. Yeah, for sure, doing this game jam has taught me a lot. Our game is actually playable and finishable as of this build, so we were doing some cleanup and polishing. That's great, man. That's what I want to do today. Finish pretty much everything, and tomorrow just polish everything, make a trailer and put it on the itch.io page for the jam. So I'm excited for that. En el jam hay varios juegos que se fueron por los gráficos en vez del gameplay. Sí. Ya, esa es la cosa que les pasa a muchas personas. Hay que saber equilibrarlo. Have you tried a water shader so it looks a bit more underwater, or did not work out so well? Man, Sampler, it did not work well. Like, so this is how I have managed to be looking. And I think it's cool because we have some fog, we have like bubbles around, you know, and we have like coral and stuff, and the surface on here. Because if there's underwater effects, it doesn't look good. It doesn't feel right. You know what I mean, Sampler? So, you know, it's the direction that I have gone. And also, if you look up other, like for example, a SpongeBob game, you will see that they use the same style. like if it was like over the water but with fog and things like that. So thanks for these videos, by the way. Helped me learn a lot of following along. Thanks, man. Thanks, Sampler. I really appreciate it. Yeah, I'm trying to make each tutorial better and improve myself. So yeah, thanks a lot, man. How long have you been building video games, Gorg? I've been building video games more than 7 years, I think now. So around 2015, I started with Unreal Engine 4, I believe. So yeah, a long time ago actually. Reminds me a bit of Battle for Bikini Bottom, which is fantastic. Exactly, Siphamus. That is what I was going to. So I'm glad that you it actually, oh, I don't know why I typed your name. Battle, I don't know what I was thinking. Bikini Bottom, yeah, this one. So actually I was going from this. Look, see how it looks? And when I press play, see, it's the same kind of style, and that was what I was going to. So it's crazy. Lol, well, my Twitch and YouTube just pulled up. Well, there we go. Free advertising, man. What's up, Arshad? How's it going? The underwater looks amazing compared to 2 days ago. Yeah, Thomas, do you remember the underwater 2 days ago? It looks much more better. Maybe I need to add more fog, like near, to make it feel even better. But it looks really cool because, you know, yeah, it just looks cool. So yeah. Bro, can you make a future video on spatial audio? I found a plugin called Steam Audio. It is available for Unreal Engine, but I couldn't wrap my head around it. So if you can help in the future, yeah, man. Spatial audio, you mean just 3D audio, right? Basically by distance. I have a tutorial about 3D audio. I made it I think a month ago, something like that. So you can check it out. But if you want me to do something more specific, I could definitely make a video about spatial audio in general. Yeah, man. Definitely. Definitely. Yeah, I played that game when I was younger, and now it's my son's playing it on my PS4 every day. Really? Do you mean the Bikini Bottom game? Yeah, man. Actually, I haven't played it, which is surprising, but yeah, it seems really cool. I need to maybe play it one day. No, not distance, like surround sound. Oh, I know what you mean. Okay, I know what you mean. Okay, definitely. I will note it down for a video idea, and let's see if I can make it, right? So yeah, thanks for the video idea, man. Let's see if I can make a tutorial about it. So yeah, all right, let's continue making stuff. All right, so first of all, why does it take so much? All right, let's see. Yeah, so there's like a lot of you know, particles that come. So what if I put left hand to be 0.1? Like, what happens? Nothing happens. Well, that's interesting. Let's see now. All right, we managed to get, but it disappears very fast. All right, so the problem is just, first of all, I don't know why it's taking so much to spawn. So I'm gonna go into the initialize particle, and we have spawn rate 1 exactly, lifetime, right, position, information, mass scale, all right, the shape and location, that's all right, and then we have the add velocity, and that's right, the velocity to the right. Gravity, wait, the gravity, oh yeah, I made it 0. Wait, what? No, I added. Anyway, that's weird. So forces and velocity, yeah, that's for collision, I think. But anyway, and we have the mesh renderer. All right, so right now the problem is that basically is spawning too many. Like what I want is a burst, right? So we have auto deactivate max pool size. All right, that's performance section. All right, so we have the, okay, here it is. I'm gonna put this on once. It's gonna be like 1. Okay. What if I just put this to be like this. Oh wait, look guys, I think I can make it so it will start when the particle spawns. So on here, you can just put it around there. So actually someone subscribed but the notification doesn't appear, but probably is someone that subscribed like some time ago but it doesn't appear. So thanks everyone who subscribed right now. I don't know why the it doesn't appear, but anyway. All right, go, and then here we can finish it up. Add velocity. Let's add more velocity. So we have the speed. So the minimum is gonna be 1,000 and 1,500. Sorry, it's gonna be the maximum. I think 2,000 and 2,500 is gonna be the maximum. All right, much better. Let's see now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the gun. All right, is the rotation okay? What? Why is it looping? I don't understand why is it looping. So if we search for looping, where is it? For looping, so we have the loop behavior to be once, and this is fixed. So I don't exactly know what is happening. Let's in here. Loop behavior once, and the and yeah, we complete it. I guess it just stops and oh, thanks Molly's Chamber for the subscription. Really appreciate you, man. So this is the best place to learn Unreal Engine 5. So thanks for the subscription. Right now I'm finished up making the bubble gun, but not the normal bubble gun. So not this one, which looks really cool. It's actually this one, which is a canyon, but it's not working. It's just not working. Tengo que corregir una animación al caminar, al cambiar la cámara. Había una persona, tengo la animación que se mueve la cámara sola. Ah, claro, entonces cuando se mueve la animación la cámara se mueve, ¿no? Vale, vale. Eso hay forma de controlarlo. The gun looks so cool though. Thanks, man. Thanks, Famosa. Yeah, I think the guns, actually I modeled myself the gun, which I'm really proud of. And the bubble gun looks so cool. It isn't very visible, but it looks really cool. Yeah, what is happening? Why there's like two directions? It's like so weird. Why is that happening? Wait. Yeah, so what if I say kill? Will it like stop? Whoa! What is happening here? Complete. Alright, alright, alright. Because I have to 1 second maybe? Yeah, okay. I might move into another. Wait, system? What is this? Oh, no. Self. Lead up in self. Once we have fixed. We have a delay. Anyway. Spawn rate. I think I need like a burst or something. But there's no burst in here. Alright, so anyway. I'm gonna start doing the next thing, okay? Because I'm gonna leave this on here. So what I'm going to do is just spawn weapons around the map. So what I'm going to do is just put basically these weapons around the map. I pretty much think I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna make them blueprint right now, because basically the parameters are defined in here in the details panel. And so I guess, all right, yeah, we can maybe, I'm gonna do one thing. I think it's depending on the name. I'm gonna place the mesh. So that's gonna be better in time saving. Did you get a cool name yet? Well, we have some names, but still we don't know which one to get. So first of all, we have regular shark, just a shark, shark simulator, hambriento tiburones, it's in Spanish, but anyway, shark in the city, Bob the shark, underwater chaos. Alright, so we have, there's not really one that I don't know right now, currently one that I like a lot, but yeah, we need to think of one. So if you guys have any, alright, Guseo, I will put shark theft out on there, okay? It's a cool name, but I don't know if I would use it, no? But I will put it there, you know? Alright, so let me open the pickable item. And then here, construction, I'm gonna go ahead, get the item name. So, I'm gonna make it in a system. Alright, so branch, alright. Shark Dynasty. Oh, I'm gonna put that on. Alright. Wait. Find the name. Shark Dynasty. Shark Theft Auto. Yeah, I have it. Did I add it? So, oh, you mean it's the best? I mean, it's a really cool name. It's a really cool name, but you know what I mean. So, so bat. Is that bat? I'm gonna say the sphere. Set static mesh to be the bat. There we go. And do they have different sizes? Yeah. Wait. Oh no, wait. All these sizes are like that. 0.2. Oh, great. Alright, so I'm gonna copy this. What's up, Carlos? How's it going, man? Alright, so let me put this in here. So this is not the best system, but it works. And we don't have a lot of time here. Oh my god. So we're gonna just continue here. I'm gonna put sword. Copy this in here. So if it's not this one, and it's gonna be bubble gun. I don't think I have space, but anyway. Oh, I need to put the material too. That's okay. I will see what if I add the material later. Put this in here. It's gonna be canyon. Is canyon spelled right? Because I honestly don't know. Oh yeah, my gun is the same one. We just have to change the thing. So you can see how each one is being applied. And if I change the name, for example, in here to be bat, you can see that now it changes. So it's really cool. So let's make the materials on now. And OBS set material. Oh, sorry, material. And let's see. So this one, can I select it? Please let me. Oh man, this is so broken. The editor right now, I don't know why it doesn't let me. So here, terrain collision. Well, I don't think I'm using that one, right? The bat is using. Let's see. Which in material? Okay, I'll add that one. There we go. All right, set material. Oh my god, what am I doing here? Let's put this one in. So this is the sword. So the sword has what material does it has? This one. All right, I'm gonna close this. Put this in here. All right, great. I'm gonna put this in here. Reference this bubble gun. So yeah, bubble gun. Wait, it has like sky or something like that. I think it has this one. Yes. And the last one has the bubble. material. Alright, so now all the materials are referenced perfectly. Shoot. So if I say bat, we have the, say, bubble gun. Oh, bubble gun. We have the material being applied too. So now it's very easy, because now we can just go and we can make it random. So now I can just go into places, go into blueprints, and say pickable item. Let's put this in here, and just put one in here. We can just basically start putting in different places. Yo, what's up, Meow Meow? How's it going, man? You like how the game is turning out to be? So I'm gonna make an array of items. It's gonna be a name. Cool. You like it, Phoenix? It turned out to be pretty cool. I'm liking how's it going. It's looking awesome. Thanks, Meow Meow. I like the house. Sketchfab, was it? Never tried that. Yeah, Sampler, it was. The houses were from Sketchfab. And Sketchfab is a free library where, well, they also have paid assets, but the majority are free. And you can download it. So it has a lot of assets on there, so you can use them. So, you know, I tried to use my own assets and mold them myself, but I only could manage to make some fish and sharks, you know, and some weapons. No more. I cannot make like whole stuff, but anyway. Ya comí la cabeza, pero me acabo de dar cuenta que no es la cabeza, todo el cuerpo gira. Todo el cuerpo gira, Iwatan. Qué raro. So now in here, we can make it, and so compile, and we can add all the names. So bat, so all the item names in a list array. Bubble gun. And the last one, which will be cannon. So now what we can do is in here is get a random one. So I'm gonna make a sequence. This after and then this first, and it's gonna items get, say, random from array, and then we can set the item name to be the random that we have selected. So you can see now we have random. A thing to do is increase, well, just make this the model higher. Every time I move it is random. That's cool. What do you make? Can I see? Yeah. Let me show you. Mr. Fennel, what did you place? I don't know what you write. Alright, so Meow Meow, look, we have cool guns now. And I have fish models, and I can shoot them. And it's really cool. We have also sprinting. And we have tuned in animations. The map is looking great. The wanted system I have improved. It looks really cool. Okay, I will show you as we go. Where do you get the characters? Duck Gamer, I made them myself, which I'm very proud of, in Blender. So you can use Blender to make anything you want. And I made the characters. I'm very proud of them. It took time, but they look very good. So I'm happy with the result. Brian Calamity. That could be one. What is that, man? Let me search it. Brian Calamari, do you mean this? Oh, I know what you mean, okay. Yeah, that would be cool, Matt. That would be cool. But right now, I'm gonna center of finishing things that we have, not add more things. Because if not, I don't know how I'm gonna have time to finish everything today, kind of tomorrow. So, you know. Anyway, are the cops running around without weapons? But as time goes, they will get around weapons. So, Thomas, good question. I need to add some weapons. So right now, they don't have any weapon. So, we need to add weapons to cops. So thanks for remembering that, because I didn't remember that, honestly. I'm gonna put it over here. So thanks so much for being honest. Yeah, now they just punch you, okay? made the Uzi and made GOG 19. Yo, that's great, yeah. But I'll see if I can make it later because I need to center it on finishing some things. But yeah. Alright, guys, I got to play Patuca. Alright, Carlos, are you using physical animation characters? Yes, that gamer, I'm using it. You can see how the animations. So I had just physics on top of their animations, and it looks really cool. It's much funnier. An easy task, which will be fun, is camera shake. What do you think? Yes, you're right. You're very right, Federico. Now, so when we'll be at camera shake? Maybe when you get hit, we can add camera shake, and when you punch other, we can add camera shake. You're right, Federico. I'm actually gonna put it in here, shake, and put a maybe at the end, right? Because I have also tried a lot of times to make camera shape, but I don't know. Yeah, it's hard to make characters blender. Well, look, I found a really cool tutorial. You search how to make a character with a skin modifier in YouTube, and you have you can actually, there's like a skin component modifier, which can be very easy to make characters look like this. So recommend, if you're gonna make it like with polygons, and it's really hard, but with the skin modifier it's easier. So you just, I recommend using that. All right, so now we have cool weapons. Maybe it's 2 up. No, it's okay. All right, so guys, I'm gonna add a Niagara particle. Yes, I'm gonna create a Niagara particle for the pickups. All right, really quick because I need to start doing more things. It's gonna be a fountain. Yeah, gonna be a fountain. Should be pick up Niagara system. Well, we need help. Me and Ralph are trying to make a cope project, but we can. Can you help us? How do you mean how to like someone in? So you make changes, you upload it, and then Ralph will have the changes that you made. Why you ignore my comment, Mr. Phantom? I literally don't see any other comment, so I have just like, I don't know what you mean about that. Like me and him making the same game. Yeah, so Meow, you just have to set up a GitHub repository and use something as source tree. So just look up in YouTube Unreal Engine 4. It's the same for 4 and 5, but there's more tutorials on 4. GitHub repository, and that's it. Is environment underwater? Yes, Federico, it is. I haven't made it like so obvious that it's underwater, like making a lot of screen effects, but to make it look like better for the gameplay, I have made it like this. Alguien juega un juego de terror, se ve bueno. Ah, sí. ¿Cómo se llama, Iwatan, ese juego? Okay. I need help. Well, what do you mean? In what thing do you need help, Mr. Phantom? Alright, let me open this. Alright, so I'm gonna press play. So this is some particles. I'm gonna change the material to be, I don't know. Let's see what I can find. Arrow material. I'm gonna make the velocity less. 100, 150. It's compiling shaders. Let's see, it doesn't take so much. As above, so. Vale, después lo miraré, Watan. Let's see if it looks good. It's compiling shaders, alright. Alright, that's done. Well, we need to add more weapons. Wait. Let's just go to here. Pickable item. Put one in here. Oh wait, one is really close to each other. Around here is good. Let's put another one here. Let's put another one here. Another one here, another one here, another one here. So we're gonna have some parts where we have a lot of weapons, and then some of them which you have to kind of search a bit, you know. So you just basically find the weapons as you go. Also, spawn civilians around the map. I have to do this too. So yeah, wait. Okay. Add a key object you can pick up to open doors, and in that building there is a vending machine to get other guns. Oh, good, Guseo. Coins come from killing others with a normal gun. I don't know if I will have time with that, but add key vending machines. And it's gonna build it like this, okay? With the sound system, like the sound disappears after the car has over 90 miles per hour. Well, you just have to make a sound attenuation. You can control more things there, Mr. Venom. Are you gonna add a level bounce? You can walk in the ocean expanse. Yeah, man. So yeah, Iwatan I think already said it just around 10 minutes ago. So I have added, what is it? Define map limits. There we go. So I guess I can make two things. Actually, what we can do is that when you get to the map limit, instead of being a wall, it just throws you up into the surface of the water and you just die. That would be cool, right? Let's see if I have time for that, you know. But anyway, all right. So now we have weapons around the map. Cool. Wait, what just happened? Oh, I think the gravity is too much. Let me just search for gravity. 0. What if I put gravity 0? Let's put a bit of gravity. Minus 100. No. 10. Minus 10. What? Minus 1. Minus 0.1. What? Minus 0.01. Okay, that's not. Wait, what just happened? Why is it now pointing that way? There we go. And I don't like how it looks. You know. And instead of vending machines, a chest. Yeah, actually, Guseo, a chest would be better, because it fits more with the underwater stuff. Yeah, that's right. Edit, but it doesn't work. I sent vid. All right, Mr. Venom. Right now, I cannot really help you in that. I will help you up after the stream. It's just because I need to get things done. But yeah, don't worry. I'll help you with that. All right, so let's see what we can find. Let's see if this material is cooler or not. Maybe instead of sprites, I need to make, you know, but let's start adding it. So I'm gonna add a Niagara component. It's gonna be the pickup. Where is it? Here it is. There we go. So now we have this. Of course, it doesn't look good, so I'm going to do is just add a mesh renderer. Disable this. In meshes, I'm gonna add a normal sphere, and I'm gonna add a material, which is how was called the material. Basic asset, so 03. Here it is. And then in size, sprite no, but mesh, you say random uniform 0.1, 0.2, 0.01, 0.02, 0.05. Oh, I like how it looks like bubbly. Oh yes. It's really cool. Maybe there's too many. I'm gonna go into rate. And it's 15. Yeah, do you like it, guys? I mean, it's not the greatest, but I will tune in later. But we have to advance more things. So done. Pick up Niagara system. There we go. I'm gonna start doing this. All right. Thanks, no problem, Mr. Phantom. I will look at it later, yeah. ¿Sabes que podrías hacer un combo de los tipos de Minecraft que te impulsan hacia arriba? Oh, sí. Es verdad. Ah, que las burbujas te impulsan. Oh, well, then you said, I think that we can do that. The bubbles will, turn you up into the surface. So I will see, yeah. You should continue this game after it being uploaded to the game jam. Yeah. Guseo, I have already thought about it, and if a lot of people that play it in the game jam loves it and things like that, I would definitely consider it, then publishing it into Steam like free or whatever, like and work more in the game. But yeah, right now the only intention is for the game jam, but if a lot of people like it, well, we can consider it. So yeah, good idea. So I can close this. Let me close this. Yes. And all right. So guys, do you remember that the theme of the game was as above, so below? We have made all the below part, but we have to make like switches in reality. So what I have thought about it is that you have a power up. That basically, when you power it up, which takes time to fill up, and it only lasts for like 10 seconds, it's like everything freezes, the water is gone, it's like a dry desert, but still in the same position with the same enemies. And then and the game slows down and you can start hitting the people. Let me start writing it up so you understand. I think this game, it has feature. Thanks, Iwotam. Thank you a lot. Thanks a lot. So in here, power up takes time to fill. How about an easy Easter egg like mirrors in which you look yourself, heart-shaped particles spawn? Oh, good, Federico, good idea. They also said about an Easter egg about SpongeBob or Sponka. I will see if I can make that about the mirrors. That's cool, because right now I need to finish up things because tomorrow is where it finishes, the game jam. So I have to make all the features done. So we'll see if I can start doing that. All right. So yeah, slows down time, except for you. Last 10 seconds, and dry desert. Water disappears. Alright guys, do you like this idea? Because we have to make it like the opposite reality. So I think a dry desert suddenly appearing will be cool. And it's like a power up, so if suddenly like 10 placements are surrounding you, you can activate this power up. Suddenly it's like a desert, it's like no water, and what you can do is and it slows down time, and you can move around and start hit them, etc. But they will not be, so they will be slowed down, but you won't be slowed down. So I think I'm gonna start doing that, which is hard. Canyon and steel, we haven't done that. All right, so let's start doing the thing. All right, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm gonna make a custom event called slow down time. So it's very easy. We can set time, set global time dilation. I made a tutorial about this slow down time. And the normal value is as 1. But we can set it to be like 0.2 or whatever. We'll see. Make stamina it probably easy. Yeah, the sale, that's right. Stamina, very easy to do, and it probably will be good to do. I'm gonna put put this on in progress because we're now working on it. But yeah, all right. So we will set the time to 0.2, and we'll print. So we know that this is happening. So I'm gonna call this event when I press 1, just to test. Of course, the power up key won't be 1 probably, but anyway, we'll see. So cool. So now if I press play and I press 1, you can see that it slows down time. The music and sound still not, which I will investigate about that. But so now we're slowing down time, which is cool. All right. So when we have slowed down time, you're gonna have slowed time, and it's gonna be in minutes. The minutes is gonna be in integer, and I'm gonna duplicate, and it's gonna be in seconds. All right. What's up, doctor? How's it going? All right. So I think you're putting a Carlson but slowing down the game. A Carlson. You mean the Danny game? Yeah. Wait. Where is this? So all right. So right now, how it looks with the bubbles. Wait, where am I? Oh yeah, there. Let's get the bubble gun and see like how it looks with time slowed down, you know what I mean? Oh wait, let's find. Wait. Oh, okay, here it is. Oh wait, this is the canyon gun. Oh, here it is, bubble gun. Press 1. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's so freaking cool, boy. Look at that. I mean, the sounds are not slowed down, but it's so freaking cool. I like it. Another thing, but do you ever have problems with common server travel? Do you mean like in multiplayer games? Doctor, do you mean that? You're back, meow. How's it going? Let's see. All right, so now we have slowed down time. So what I'm going to do is that in here we have a time here. So I'm gonna go ahead and so right, we are setting the timer text, but I pretty much need that. And we have this here. So I'm gonna copy this. And we will need to do this in the event ticker, right? But it's good. This is the last episode. Well, tomorrow there's gonna be probably a live stream putting the game, publishing it in HIO and stuff. So yeah. All right, here's gonna be the wait, I can replace it, right? If I just hover it. Yeah. Oh wait, I have to make it a float because the seconds are floats, and then the minutes will be the minutes, and the seconds here. In here, yeah, this is minus minutes, yes, and seconds on here. What? Oh, it's a race. Okay. All right. Games. Yes, I am working on an SCP multiplayer game, and the lobby basically has a delay. After the delay, it does a server travel to the map main, and it crashes saying error. Your editor, blah blah blah. All right. So what? First of all, so okay. So what servers are you using for the multiplayer servers? Are you using? Amazon? Are you using the Epic online services? Are you using Steam? All right, it's a non-dedicated, so it's basically, so someone is hosting the game, all right? and are you using the default Unreal Engine sessions? So you're just using the create, oh shit, you're using the create session node, right? And things like that, right? Yeah, default sessions. All right. So I have worked with Steam advanced sessions, which I recommend using, and stuff. So okay, so basically what you have to know is that the default sessions from Unreal only works, they don't host a server in the cloud, they are just locally. So you will need to have an Amazon server linked to that, or you can use Steam advanced sessions. Use Google Unreal Engine Steam advanced sessions and you will find a lot of tutorials about it. So it will enable to use for free the Steam servers, and basically integrate it into your engine, and probably your error wouldn't happen. But I don't know. A lot of the game was based on that. Alright, so are you using the Steam advanced sessions or what? Oh, you mean that your game with the default sessions? Yeah, I don't really know what your issue is right now, but I'm just saying that I haven't used the normal default Unreal Engine. I have used the Steam advanced sessions and a bit of Amazon and PlayFab servers. But that's so yeah. All right, so we're gonna have a is time slow down. Oh, spell that right. Down. Alright, that's gonna be a boolean, and I'm gonna set it on here to be true, and delay after 2 seconds for now. I'm gonna set it to false. So now we can make a branch here and be like, only if time is slowed down. And then I can get this, move it into here. It's a mess, but anyway, it's okay for now. I just put it on here. So now for press play, I press 1, and also yeah, wait, okay, so this we need to go. I will fish for the UC and Glock 19 models. Okay. Also, do you recommend viewport or play create the widget for multiplayer? Or how do you get player index? I've been looking everyone on the internet to dump cringy word epic forums. Yeah, okay. So you mean I play create widget for multiplayer and things, I have to get a player index. Well, to get a player index, you just have to search through your current room. So first of all, you have to find the current session that you are at, and then basically make a for each loop around all the players in that session, and then you will kind of get all the player index for each one of them. So yeah, pretty much that. I right now I'm a bit, haven't touched multiplayer in a lot of time, so I don't know if I can help you out on that, but yeah, it's pretty much what I know. Right, so I think now the time is counting. Alright, so so in here you can go a custom event. Let's reset time, and we'll do this. Put it into 1. This to false, and then I can call reset on here. Set time. Let's see how that works. I love your work and content. Thanks, man. Thanks, Blue. I really appreciate it, man. I always try to make my best in it. Also, I remember getting pretty mad when a game I worked for a month didn't work in the end on Sandbox for some reason. Yeah, man, you have to be careful with that. Sometimes in the editor everything works, but then in the standalone version or in the build on the package price, things doesn't work. And if things that it just always happen, so that's why you have to, like, as you go, maybe start making some standalone packages and builds just to make sure everything works. But yeah, all right. So that right now, how much minutes? Let's make it 1 second. Okay, maybe more than 1 second. Let's make 5 seconds. It just pretty much instantly. I don't know why. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's make it 15 seconds, something like that. I don't know. Got to go. Okay, meow meow. Oh yes, it works. Oh, but we have to reset it. So in here, seconds. Need to be back. What is it right now? 15. Well, I had to put this on 50 or something like that because I don't know what's happening. So now, guys, look. If I press play and I press 1, I am slow mo, and then we're off slow mo. So we have a timer. So that's cool. All right. All right. So now let's do that. Basically, your player. Okay, so first of all, let's make it that it will be longer. So make it like 500. For now, you know what I mean. I'm gonna make it, I think, even. It's like 0.1 or something like that. To make it even slower. Yes. And I'm gonna set. Wait. I'm gonna set the character movement to be very fast. Max walk speed to be like 10,000. Let's see. Yeah, I know, it still doesn't work. Regresé que no, estoy trabajando en el slowdown. Qué rápido vamos. Estoy trabajando en porque vas a tener una habilidad que te pone el tiempo más lento, ¿sabes? Also, when I started working on it and I saw the room models were mesh and items were X files, I was like, what the freak? I still have no idea how to use them in Blender until this day. Yeah, man, Blender is a bit of a mess sometimes with files and stuff. But yeah, it's crazy. Anyway, can I set the character relation? Set custom, is that for the character? Wait, what is this? I mean, let's test this. No. What is this variable? Is that something in here? Can you please work on sharing the link of Trello? Yes, Kuseo, that's right. I did. I need to do it. I know that I said I will be doing it for today, but I had the same things to do, and I will do it. Don't worry, Kuseo. Oye, preferiría hacer el tiempo lento para otros, no para ti. Exacto, Iguatán. Por eso estoy viendo cómo puedo hacer que sea lento, excepto para ti. O sea que a ver dónde descubro eso. Why the freak did they use dot or mesh and dot x files in SCP and I can remember breach log? That's right, Doctor. I have no idea. Why the freak they use that? I don't know. it's just crazy. I don't know, maybe I don't know why they cannot use just FBX files, right? Is the thing. But anyway, so I'm gonna UE4 set actor time dilation only for one or more actors. So this is what we want, guys. So that a blueprint with actor components such as okay. So you can set up a blueprint with actor as a component and then use a set custom time dilation that I found. But you need to set it to a value between 0.1 and higher. Yes, of course. Also, it's probably best not to use event take as it will trigger a frame. Of course. This can you pause? Alright. So right now I'm using global. So let's set custom time dilation. So let's see that works for. So let's see if now the player moves slower. Yeah, only the player moves. So now what we can do, guys, is so I can delete this and delete this, and we have to get all actors of class, and we have to find all the BP police and civilians. Right now I'm gonna do civilians because I have more civilians in the scene. I'm gonna do this, and yeah, it's gonna be really cool. How do people learn Unreal Engine by YouTube tutorials or just by the Unreal Engine community? I mean, look, Unreal Engine tutorials are amazing. I mean, I made my own, of course, but you can start learning the basics of Unreal Engine very easy. And they're awesome because, you know, the Unreal Engine community, like forums and stuff, there's a lot of people that will, you know, be able to help you in your. I mean, I recommend better like the Discord servers. So the Unreal Slacks, I think it's called. I am on that one and stuff. You can ask questions and other people will help you out. But the best way, of course, is having like a teacher, right? But anyway, do you know how? Do you know if the was component trees works in multiplayer? What is that? Was component recently rendered out works in multiplayer? Says I actually I don't know. I don't really know from the top of my head what that component is. Oh, was component recently rendered works in multiplayer? Since they bring in the server, I wasn't doing anything. I don't actually really know. Honestly, I don't know really. I haven't used that component pretty much. Yeah. Thank you for the information. Thanks, Blue, man. Thanks for tuning in. For each loop, we're gonna go through everyone, and what we're going to do is set. Can I do this time dilation? 0.2. So we'll be setting the time for all the enemy, well, civilians and stuff, to be less, except for us. I think we can actually try it. Wait, let me try again. Let me see when they're moving. Yeah, it works. They move in slow motion. Let's go, baby. Even I'm gonna make it even slower, so 0.1. And I'm gonna do a sequence in here. Let me get this down. I'm gonna do it with the police also. We'll do it in here. It's okay. Well, we're gonna put this better on here, just in case. There we go. Nice. Yeah. It looks really cool, right, guys? Hey, wait, what just happened? Wait, why is there an error here? Okay, let me just get all actors of class. Alright, police. There we go. For each. Sometimes when you copy stuff, guys, in Unreal Engine, I don't know why, but it just doesn't reference good and you have to do it again. And it's like, what is happening here? And I know it's very, very annoying. But yeah, so now everyone except you should be running slower. So that's really cool. How long was your doing project for? It's project for. So this for the Epic Megajam. So it's basically doing a game in 7 days. Pretty much I've been doing it for 7 days. So it's really cool. I need to finish up for tomorrow. Alright guys, so now I can do the same on here. Get this out. Put this on here first. Paste this. So when I reset it, I also look for everyone and put it to be 1. So it's normal. Alright, so guys, let's bring in the police. So I'm gonna get the balloon gun, bubble gun, sorry, and I'm gonna start killing some fishes so that the police will come. Nice, thanks, Blue. Yeah, I think it looks really cool right now. All right, let's see if the police comes. It take a bit sometimes. Alright, here they are. Well, let's wait to bring more policemen, okay? Let's see how it looks. Alright, a lot of police coming. So now I can press 1. And they're in slow motion. And you can see, now the music's not. But you can see that there is slow motion except me. Look at that. Now, there's not a feeling of slow motion because of the music and stuff. So look, I'm actually gonna search for set tabulation for sounds. So because I haven't touched tabulation with sound. Low page, let it control page. Read over sounds with a global variable. Get all actor classic and get all sounds and change the pitch. Okay. Gonna head with this method. The only problem I'm running is that the so it seems like, wait, global pitch modulation. Let's find that. Let me get contents in here. Oh, look at that, guys. Wait, this is client only. Yeah, okay. Guys, so I think in here I can do it. Let's see. And okay, so 0.1 or something, 0.2. I don't know what values to give it. 10. I don't know. Oh yeah, so of course, so the music, it isn't affected right now. I don't know why, but you can see, look at the footsteps. I'm gonna add it in 1, 2, 3. There's a difference. Actually, look, let me get the bubble gun. And in 0.2, is there a difference? Oh, this is, so look, if I now get the bubble gun. ¿En qué te pasa un gran desarrollo? El cabello largo y la barba. Y también me hace falta hacer el gigachat también. Y WhatsApp. Mira, entonces ahora, look, see, if I get the gun, start shooting, and press 1. Do you hear the bubbles? It looks cool. Now we need to set the music to be like that. So what I'm going to do is in here. I'm gonna make another sequence. Yo, what's up, Mr. Ruffo? How's it going, man? And I'm gonna get the, what is it? The normal, where's the normal music? Components. Background music, here we go, get background music. Set, pitch. What is this? Multiplier? I guess so. 0.2 or something. See if that works. This game looks already amazing. I knew when I saw this this game for the first time I was going to be lit. Thanks a lot, Mr. Ruff. I really appreciate it. You know, I put a lot of effort in this, so that's a lot, man. Oh, I'm good. How are you? Really good, man. Advancing in here, you know. Let's see if now the music. The music now, okay, but it's too much, I think. Let's put it in. Let's put it in 1. Oh, 1 is the normal thing. Okay, 0.5 then. Oh yes. Oh, this is looking so fucking cool. All right. Look at this. So right now it's like normal, right? And now I can turn on slow motion. Looks so cool. Also, I will need to go into the wanted music, and I guess I will need to make a validated, but anyway. And this is the same thing. I will see if I get errors. So yeah. Oh, you're from the Netherlands, Mr. Ruffle? That's cool. Let's see here, 0.5. What do you mean it will tell what? Yeah, we have an error. Okay, so we have to do. Oh, so what we can do is get this, and is unwanted. Where is it? Here. When we add the sound, stop background music. Okay. So when we add the sound, we can make a sequence, and we'll ask if the, we can make a branch and ask if time is slowed down, and then we can paste this. And now in the, can copy this, because now we can go in the stop wanted, and when we say play, yeah, here the background music again, I'll just make a sequence to but it's gonna be the background music again. So let's see. Yeah, now it works. Look at the police siren. Great. And also what we have to do is in reset time. I have to set it back into 1, I believe is normal thing. No puedo acordar la animación, a lo mejor tendré que hacerla de nuevo. ¿En serio? ¿Pero la hiciste tú, Iwatan? La animación. And they're gonna make another sequence, I think. And look, I'm gonna get a validated get. And if it's valid, gonna do this. And I'm gonna copy. El tiempo, sí, Watan. Tengo que hacer lo que sea como 5 segundos y ya está. Sí. Ahora lo hago. So this is gonna be 1, and then I'm gonna do also the. What is it? What is it? Wanted music, here we go. Get. So page multiplier. It's gonna be 1 again. Let's see if that works. Si todas las animaciones las estoy haciendo. Oh, pero con Blender o con el control rig. Where can I play the game when it's finished? Look, when it's finished, it will be in here. Look, HIO, Epic Megajam. It will be in here. So in the Epic Megajam, I will have the link. So tomorrow when I put it on, I will of course put a link 100%. And you will just go into entries, and then you will see all the games, and you will find my one. So you know, tomorrow we'll have the link. So don't worry about that. But yeah, it's gonna be cool. Control rig. Uf, eso es difícil, ¿no? Te salió guay. Alright, let me put the to be like 10 seconds, something like that. Bro, 10 seconds are not 10 seconds. Oh, it's because I don't have the delay. Oh yeah, yes. It's because I don't have the delay of 1 second, so it's like in the event tick. Yeah, so now it's actually. Let's make it like 5 seconds for now. ¿Se quedó para siempre esto o qué? Load time. I don't know what has happened. But like it doesn't reset. Yeah, and here we. I'm gonna reset it again here, I guess. Oh, look, 500. No, of course now it has to be 5. But that wasn't the problem, I think. Like this. Again. Yeah, everything works fine. That's cool. Pues sí, no es fácil hacer las animaciones básicas correctas. Ya. Es difícil hacer las animaciones, por ejemplo, de agacharse, levantarse del piso. Manos me han costado. Sí, la verdad que es difícil hacer animaciones, I think you should add some sort of pause processing effect when you slow motion, you know, so the player can understand that better. Yeah, Federico, I will basically add sound like, you know, sound effect. I'll be also making the desert like dry. So I will be removing bubbles. The thing, it's like another reality. It's the opposite of underwater. It's like a dry desert, you know? And you have so many cool stuff, so yeah. Te traiciona tu subconsciente y hablaste español, ¿eh? Sí, Guatán. Empecé a hablar español, sí. Alright, so that's cool. We have controlled the slow down time. Really cool. All right, so now let's make that when you kill, you can start getting up the power up. So first of all, I'm gonna make an input so you can attack. So let me go in here. Sí, bueno, Iguatán, lo que voy a hacer va a ser un montón de efectos y va a ser obvio que va a estar cámara lenta, ¿vale? Va a ser un sonido, el post-processing. O sea, no hace falta poner slow down, ¿sabes? Alright, so I'm gonna create a new input. It's gonna be slow down. And it's gonna be... do we do it like 1? It's gonna be 1, and in the controller it's gonna be B. Yes, because I don't use the shoot, so we can use it. So now here I can just say slow action events, slow down, and I can put this one on, delete this one, put this one here. But of course we need a new variable that will be here. Can slow down time, because I don't want to, you know, always do it. So in here I just get it and be like branch, and I'll see. So if I can, I'll do it, and if not, I will not do anything. Well, I'll maybe do a message like you cannot activate the power or whatever. So can slow down time. And look, and if we get to do it, I'm gonna set it to be false again. So basically I'm gonna do a counter. It's gonna be like it's gonna be a hit counter. So to activate it, you need to hit a lot of people. Hit count. So hit counter is gonna be an integer, and basically when you hit, so we're gonna make a custom event which is gonna be increment hit counter. So it's better. So we just say an event then directly implemented from the other civilians and policemen. Counter. And I'm gonna basically ask if hit counter is bigger or equal to, let's see how many hits. Let's do for now like 5. You see test. Can slow down time will be set to true. And we have to reset it. And here it will be false. And hit counter will reset it to 0. Yes, I think yes, we'll do that, yeah. So now let me open the civilians blueprint and health. So when I hit him, yeah, so in here I can do this and also do hit increment hit counter. So this is when you get hit, and then when he dies, and then this is when he gets hit, he will also increment it. And I will basically copy this, and I'll go into the policeman health and do the same thing in here, and then here this. All right, cool. So now, if I press 1, I cannot slow down. But if I press 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, I can now. Wait, no. Yes, slow down time. But the new policeman doesn't. So I think what I'm going to do is do the get all letters of class to be in here. Always. What's up, Meow Meow? How's it going? Slow down time. I'm gonna make an event so we can have it better. So it's gonna be slow down everyone. Got the Glock. You got the Glock. Oh, that's great. Wait, add this in here. Let me move this in here, and then here, slow down everyone. But I will do it again on here. Slow down everyone. Oh, slow down everyone. There we go. So it will always be looking for these people. So what? Oh, there you go. So I don't know. Oh, what happened to you, man? How was it? What is wrong with these guys? Oh, it's because of their. Because when we set this time to 0, something happens. Weird. Ok. Sí, bastante se bugueó, no sé qué pasó. Yeah, that's a problem, but I'll see what happens. Alright, so I don't know what happened to the music. Oh, yes. So, wait, but I... Oh, okay, I know what's happening because I also done searching in here. Yes, sorry. I just did the is validated, so want the music, get another pin. If it's valid, just in case we're already running with it. So now it should work. That should be fixed. What happens when the shark dies? You just restart the level right now, but I will make a death screen and things like that. Alright, probably it will return you into the main menu and then you can do things. I need to also do the main menu. Alright, so let's find the slow down time. So let me go into effect. So like the, you know, a sound effect, real cool. So let me find and here we love indie, so basically I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna go into sound. Let's see, slow down. Oh, time down. Oh, there's no really. Will there be multiplayer? Blue, probably not because I would not have time. But yeah, this is for the game jam. It's Rough for watching. He was watching before. I don't know if he's still watching. So guys, I don't know if it's slowed down, but I don't know if here. All right. Anyway, let me get some sounds from another page that I know, but So it's slow down time. You guys like that one? I'm gonna use this one, the first one that I saw. There we go. Let me import it real quick. So I just got it from another site because I didn't find. The first one was too much. Yeah, I'm gonna open Audacity and make it a bit, you know, like of course it was too much. Yeah. Don't worry about that, Thomas. So let me just put in here and look. I think it takes too much, right? What if we start like... What if we start from here? Maybe from here we could start. I like it. Maybe we can make it a bit faster. We can make it faster, meow meow. Let's see. Está bueno pero muy fuerte. Sí, tranquilo, el volumen lo cambiaré. Velocity here. Oh, I can change that in engine. It's okay. So let me export it as WAV. Slow down time sound. And let me import it into sounds. Alright, so first of all, it is very loud. So okay, so in here, when we slow down time, I can just add this here and say play sound 2D is okay. Slow down time. And what I can do is the pitch multiplier 1.3, so it goes a bit faster, and the volume like 0.2 or even lower. Let's see. So let me start. Oh yes, of course. So the sound also is slow mo. So what I would have to do is, alright, so I will need to spawn sound 2D instead of playing it, and then slow down time. Va a hacer que consigas puntos por matar. Sí, bueno, de momento es darle un puñetazo y ya está, pero a lo mejor por matar mejor. So the volume is going to be like 0.2, actually 0.1, and the pitch is going to be 1.3, so it's a bit faster. So what we have to do is in here make a delay, a delay until the next tick, so it's timed until the dilation happens, just in case. And then I'm gonna set custom, no, sorry, where is it? Pitch multiplier to be on this one 1.3. There we go. Ahora que crezca ¡oh! Que crezca el tiburón. Iguatán. So Iguatán just said make that shark gross. That's actually a very good idea, but I don't know if I will add it, but that's cool. Right. So let me go here. What is happening? Let's try again. It's still okay. Start time. Why is it also we can make it. Yo tengo muchas ideas, pero siento que muchas van a hacer que ocupe más tiempo y sí quiero que lo acabes. Ya. A ver, me lo puedes decir, las apunto. Otras cosas que las hagamos, pero si quieres, me las puedes decir. A ver. Gonna attack him. And why the music is not? Oh, because we return back to normal. What? Why the sound? Yeah, the slow down time. Oh, this is also happening each frame. Wait. In here is what I meant. But still, I don't know if that... Wait, let's see now, guys. Maybe that was the issue. Now it's fixed. Let's make it like 0.3, maybe it was a bit too. Like a lot. So yeah, it looks good, right, Thomas? Of course, I need a lot of post-processing effects, but we are getting there on the ability stuff. So so yeah, the next thing is gonna be the main menu. Then we can add stamina. All right. So now what I need to do, I'm gonna put this in a checklist. Up takes time to fill, slow down so for you. That's 10 seconds, yeah. Alright, so now we need to make the other things. So add sugar to make this happen. The slow-mo. Add sugar. So do you mean like, oh, so basically he eats sugar or something like that? That would be cool. I'm also gonna add an UI. And in the HUD, I think I'm gonna make it. Yeah, it's gonna be always in the HUD. And it's gonna be another progress bar, which fills as we go. So look, percent. So this will be the ability, right? So we can have it like green or something. I don't know. No, purple. I think it would be cool. So this can be the progress bar. I will change it to make it look better. Yeah, slow mo. Yeah, that's a good idea. Wait. Yes. Not to be small. We can have it on there. Oh, we have the stars there. I can put in here. So in here it will be the need to fill it up to be able to use the thing. Okay. So now I can just bind this percent green binding and just say gas to VP short character. Get player character, and I'm gonna say get hits counter. And well, I need to divide this by what was it? The what you need? 5. Okay. For now, 5. And then in there. So that should work, guys. So now if I press play, it's at 0. But if I start hitting people, no, wait. Wait. So the HUD, alright. Okay, so he's binded. Put that on the health bar. I think it looks cool. They're up, but we'll see. Someone, the notification always shows up later. I don't know why. That's weird. Alright, so we have our BP character. So okay, so we are referencing. Oh, it isn't. I think it's controller. I always confuse in the UI. Oh wait, no, it's definitely character. So we are getting the hit counter divided by 5. What if we don't divide it by 5? It hit him. Yeah, if I don't divide by 5, it's gonna be filled up. It reminds me of from Halo. Oh, do you mean the health bar or something like that? So yeah, maybe because it's an integer, not a float. Maybe that's a problem. I mean, we have to divide it by 5 to be able. Yeah, it needs to be a float. Yeah, probably. Well, okay, let's try make it a float. So, will it break anything? I don't know. I'm gonna save everything. Hit counter, float, change variable type. It broke everything, I think. Hit counter plus plus. Oh, that's okay, I can replace it. On here. Equal to 5. Yeah, it reminds you of the yellow. I guess so. And 0, yes, okay. Now I probably need to go into civilian. Oh no, of course it's a. Yeah, yes, that's right. Wait, in the HUD. Into now be divided by 5. And let's try this. There we go. Let's see now, guys. So now it's 0. Yeah. Do you see, guys, how it starts filling up? It filled up, and I can press 1. Now in slow motion. Now the thing is, I reset the bar. But what I'm going to do is, I think, make an image like use power up or something like that. So I'm gonna fill an image here. So when this appears, like press 1 to power up. Something like that, you know. Sigo pensando que ganas tú. Gracias, Watan. A ver si ya quedamos en buen puesto. Yo creo que este juego es de los más chulos que va a estar en el Game Jam. So yeah. Alright, so this needs to be visible. This will be hidden. And basically, it's a variable. It's gonna be power up image. something like that. So now I can go back into the shark here and can I get the HUD? Okay, so when I create the HUD and the begin play, yeah, okay, I'm gonna make a promote variable HUD. Oh wait. El tuyo se ve más completo. Sí, la verdad que el mío se ve con un montón de cosas ya. Está guay. Alright. Me tiro al Mercadona, hasta luego. Hasta luego, Dylon. En cuanto a todo, sí, gracias, Iguatán. La verdad que está muy completo ya. Alright, so I'm gonna start referencing to the HUD. So wait, in here I can just say HUD. Let's say set, wait, actually get power up image. And then I can just say set visibility to visible. And then in here to hidden. So there we go. So now if I press play and I start killing him, okay, the doesn't appear. HUD was already added. Oh, I remember that a problem was, yeah, this. Let's see if that was a problem, guys. I don't know if that was a problem. Yeah, it probably was actually. So I'm gonna start. No, it doesn't appear, guys. I don't know why. You can some way increment it. Thanks, guess what, Daniel, for the subscription. It's best place to turn Unreal Engine 5 to shows. So thanks for the subscription, man. Alright, so let's see what we can make in here. So we are accessing our HUD, making it visible, the power up image. And oh, it's because, okay, so if I disable this, you will see it will happen. So it's because I instantly disable it. We'll see, we'll see. Oh no, okay. Yeah, it's weird. So we get in the HUD. Alright, so I mean, okay, let me make an event here. Some event, activate. Yeah, blue. I don't know what is happening. Are you going? Activate power up image. And then I'm gonna get it, set visibility to visible. Like, okay, so now instead of this, I can just say activate power up image. So maybe that will enable us to, let's see. No. So I don't know what is happening, but it seems like we're gonna make it visible. So this is hidden. Oh, we can bind it. Oh, that's cool. Oh yeah, maybe we can bind it. And it'll be like cast. Why everyone's just spamming emotes on the chat? Wait, but are you calling me a meow or are you saying it to blue? Get can slow down time. So of course I'm gonna put in here, but I can, I think, make, wait, random. No, I want a random. How we can, how is it called, man? ¿Ya te vas? No, todavía no, Iwatan. And you're saying you got this in the emoji and see, yeah, me meow. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh yeah, I wasn't understanding what was going on. All right, bye, meow. All right, so how can I? The same one how to? Yeah, we can control variable, but I don't want. Oh, eState. Here, select option 1. Oh, this is the index boolean. Here we go. So false is hidden and true is visible. So let's see. And where is it? Why this shark always goes into the end? And I'm gonna delete all this. No, todavía no nos vamos. Iguatan. Alright, let's see now if it works. Man! The image... Do you think because it's... Basically, so fouls is hitting, yes. Alright, let me just put an image test. You imagine it was all the time working, but it's because I didn't have an image assigned. It's because I think it just pop up white. Yeah, no, it's not happening. Oh, you know what is happening? It was appearing. It's just I didn't have the... I'm so stupid. I didn't have the thing on. Look. But now we have done it in a great way, so... Yeah, now it appears. See? Now it appears. I'm stupid, yeah. I'm stupid. So I'm not gonna say slow down time fouls on here. And I'm gonna do it in when we use it. Oh, we do it in here? Alright, so okay. I fill it up. Alright, I'm gonna make a cool animation. So I'm gonna add an image. It's gonna cover the whole screen. Gonna be like white or whatever. I'm gonna create an animation, so it's gonna be a slow down time anim. Something like that's gonna be called the N. There we go. And I'll just add the image to which I will call it slow down time whatever time. So here we go. And I think I can just add the opacity. Where is it? Render opacity. Wait, okay. So in color, oh here, add keyframe. So it will be 0. Add a keyframe. Then it will be 1. Add a keyframe, and then 0. as a keyframe. So now you have this. I think it's cool. Maybe even I make it so it's yeah, I think I like this. So now we can play the animation by here, animations, and we need to go in here, and it will be custom event play slow down time animation. So then I can just say here and say play animation. There we go. And then I can just go back into the shark, and yeah. And when I do this, we're gonna slow down time. Yeah, so I just hit get the HUD. It will be play slow down time animation. So let's see if it works. Which it probably will. I press 1. Yeah, it works. I really like it. I'm gonna make it so that it lasts longer. Seconds. It's gonna last like 10 seconds, yeah. Double of what it is. Alright, cool. So cool. Let me see here. Alright, so now we have to do like a dry desert. So first of all, I'm gonna get the fog out. So this desert mode. Alright, it's gonna be just desert mode. I'm gonna put it around here. Alright, so first of all, we're gonna get all the fog. And you say set visibility. I need to do like a better of transition and whatever. Well, with the, because we fill it with, yeah, maybe because we fill the screen with animation of white, we can just make a small delay and it will not be visible. I will say propagate to children. And then, I mean, let's start with that and see that everything works and is fine. So, desert mode. Yes. Okay. Now, okay, gonna all the folders. Water lake. So let me add a tag. It's gonna be just water. Okay. So now I can here get all actors with tag. The tag is gonna be water. So now I can just for each, and actually we can do a get copy because we only have one. So we're gonna get the first one that we get set visibility, set after hidden in game. There we go, better. And hidden in game, yes. So let's see now it disables the water. Yeah, there we go. Ha, so freaking cool. Yeah, better what we had to do is the fog, duplicate this and change the color. So I will do that, yeah. So wait, is there a same material for everything? But one set material. Oh, I need to go one by one. Get children. Components. I can do it for each loop. Let's try this first. I need to set material. What? I'm gonna change the material. Get static. Get mesh component, something like that. It's weird that I cannot actually access. Get child component. Yeah, it doesn't let me set materials. Get parent or something. Get number. Okay, I guess we'll have to pull this over here, and we have to do a sequence. It's a bad thing to do, but anyway, just fog1 set material, and with so on with, you know, everyone. So to be like, for example, to test this, and we'll do this with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we need to put 7 pins in here. Well, I mean 8, but first one doesn't count, so wait. And so we have here, and this needs to be fog2. Have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Start, you know, pinning everyone. There we go. And I just need to change this to be for 1, for 2. It doesn't, I think it doesn't matter the, yeah, it doesn't matter, so fuck too small. Okay, so. Oh, we have font was small. One small. Wait, what is happening? Why? Are you saying I can change like that? Okay, here, fog 3 small. Oh yeah. Okay, so fog 1. Oh, there we go. I need to put in there. All right. No. Estoy haciendo para que sea como un desierto cuando se quita el fog, el agua, todo. Cuando estamos en el slow motion. And fog 2. Yo, so now if I get the gun, kill him, you're gonna see how it appears like this. This is not the final materials, no son las materiales finales, pero. So now I just duplicate this. We fog desert, open this. Please don't crash. Please. don't crash. Because if it crashes, I will not like that. Let's see if it doesn't take a lot of time to open. Alright, thank God. So now I can just put it to be like kind of this color and save it and apply it. Hope it doesn't crash or anything. Cuando mata o activa el poder. Activa el poder, activa el poder. Sí, cuando mata sería un poco mejor cuando activamos el poder. Vale. So, let's see if it saves real quick. I'm liking how it's feeling, but it's a bit slow sometimes. Alright. Come on, please. There we go. Thank God. Parece que el tipo enseña sangre cuando mata. Sí. Tiene que ser decals. Entonces, bueno, voy a ver si puedo hacer eso o no. So now the big ones. So in fog 1, well, I can just go select it. Yeah. So in fog 1, I need to build this one. Small, small. Fog 3. 4 and 2. And now have to duplicate the small and put desert on this one. Open it. Hopefully, yes, it's faster. And let me just copy this node with the same. What? Okay, let me just copy the linear. This will do, right? Yes. Save it, apply it. Now it should be faster. Come on, come on, come on. And when we have that, it's gonna be add a layer of just better looking, like a desert or whatever. And we'll disable again the surface. And probably need to get all the, I need to add like some dust in the ground, and I think that with that it will start looking much cooler. Maybe disabling the buildings too would be really cool. Or change the material into the fog. Actually change the material into fog, that would be really cool. Yes, and searching by tag, so we need to make them that all the buildings have tag building. Oh yeah, but then if I need to reset the material, I don't know if there's not like a node called reset material, but if not, it will take a lot of time. Because we have to make a one tag for each one. But anyway, so now I can go back in here, and in the small, I'll just add the fog small, and here it goes. All right, and now I will just do this after. All right, so now we get the gun. You can see how it is like this. It's really cool. And we have a, so we are adding better stuff. Hey Gorka, do you know how to make a video in the main menu widget easily? So for making, applying a video in the main menu, you have to create a render texture. So first of all, we have to import your video as a media source. I think it's the file that Unreal Engine creates. So you just drag your file into the project, and then you just create a render texture material, and then what you do is just apply it in. I haven't done. Let me see. I don't know, there's a widget just says like video, no, and media, no. So yeah, you have to add an image then into your like into the widget, and on here you would put the rendered texture, which is linked into that media source. It's a bit weird, but look, there's a lot of tutorials on, you say, how to play a video in Unreal Engine, and it will be easy in a widget, whatever. But yeah, it's basically you have to import your video as a media source, and then you just create a render texture, and then just apply it into a image in the widget. I know it's between that lines, but I don't exactly know. I don't remember exactly how to do it because I have been years without actually playing a video, but it's something like that, okay? So yeah. A ver cómo tú sientes tu juego, está a gusto, cómo va por el momento. Estoy bastante contento. Yo sé que incluso puede ser mejor, pero sí, estoy bastante contento igual. Thank you. Thank you for giving me support and watching my stream, Sephimus. So thanks to you, man. Alright, so now we have actually some really cool effects when we do this. Alright, so is there a reset material node or something? No. Okay, material. Set material by name. Alright, that's weird. You're criminally undersubscribed. Yeah, Thomas. You know, I mean, with time, I actually have been growing on YouTube. But yeah, thanks a lot, man. Yeah, thanks a lot, Thomas. Y a lo mejor luego podría subir un tutorial de nodos. Sí, tengo tutoriales de cómo hacer, como en plan sistemas, pero sí puedo hacer uno general de cómo hacer blueprints. Alright, so I think I'm gonna go and get all the... Alright, so basically what I'm gonna do is just in all the buildings, I'm gonna add a tag, actor tags, and it's gonna be house. There we go. So now I can go in here, get an actor with tag, and for each of them, I will just set visible, set hidden game. So I'm gonna hide all the buildings in game for now, of course. So let's see. So go here, kill this guy. Yeah, it didn't work. Oh, sorry. I need to. This should be house with tag. Oye, a lo mejor luego por eso espera. Ayudar a mucha gente que no sabe mucho como yo. Sí, un tutorial básico de aprendizaje de nodos general, ¿no? No de cómo hacer un sistema. Sí, la que sí, Watan, buena idea. Alright, so now everything disappears. That's cool. We can also make like a post-processing effect that will be blurred out. Yes, that would be cool. Alright, so now let's make a custom event called water mode, and I will basically do this. I can delete this, basically do this, except this. Oh shit, all this except this. There we go. Paste it in here. And then we can just put this back into volumetric fog in the big one. So this one, and this one, and then the small into the small one. So this one, this one, and this one. And then in here like this, and in here like this. And basically, when you reset time, I do water mode. So now, as the time passes, we will go back into water mode. So let me get a gun and kill him. Alright, so now we are in. And then go. Oh, what happened there? And we go back into water mode. So it's cool. We're getting sound where it still doesn't look good, but we're getting sound where, and I'll tune it in as we go. But yeah, I'm liking how everything's going. Alright guys, so I think I'm gonna be leaving the stream here. Today we made pretty cool progress. I will now continue. So I have some things to do today right now, but after the night I will continue doing more things. Again, we have a bot spamming in the chat. But yeah. Alright, so yeah guys, thanks everyone who has tuned in today's live stream. Tomorrow I will be back probably, so I'll make a community post and it will be the day where we publish the game, so I'm very excited about that. So yeah, ya me voy, Watan. It is the same bot too. Yeah, Thomas, I literally have banned him like 7 times. I don't know what is happening, but anyway. Thanks for the stream. Thanks you, Thomas, for joining in and being time with me here, making this awesome game. So yeah, thanks everyone who has tuned in today. Ciao, Watan. Nos vemos mañana. Bye everyone. We see you tomorrow. And with all that said, bye bye.